What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing good this weekend. Hope you're all looking away from the crypto markets a little bit at least. In this video we won't. In this video we'll look at Solana, which in general, which was also to be expected. I mean, when you watch my video, what we talked about, especially, well, both fundamentally and technically. I mean, technically yesterday we had already broken down our main support level, or our last support level at 156 and 155. We'd broken down below that. What I said yesterday is, all right, well, I maybe we can reclaim that in better market circumstances. But for now, if we get up there again, that main key level, I would say, around 160, I'll short. But we never did that. I mean, yesterday over the course of the day, the selling pressure continued across the markets. All right, it's very correlated. You see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the Bitcoins also drop down lower. But it's been pretty relentless, all right, and this is more of a fundamental story than a technical story, because I think this is mostly, there's multiple things going on. In general, like, summer markets are never very good, or at least historically they have never been, very bullish, or they've never been sustainably bullish, I should say. And then we also have a lot of uncertainty in the entire worldwide capital market, all right, with the situation in the Middle East, with recession fears. So that doesn't help a very risky asset like Solana. Solana might be less risky compared to other crypto assets, but it is still very risky, all right. So yeah, and then lately there's also been a little bit more scrutiny on Solana with pump fund and everything that's doing and extracting from crypto, or at least people have opinions on that. So that caused a lot of bearish momentum here. Now I do think, and we talked about this yesterday, that the next support target would be 140, because right now, if you look at the daily time frame, we are at the 200 EMA, and let me tell you something. If we don't bounce here, that would be very bearish. All right, so I already do think, if the fundamental situation doesn't change, and I'll keep you updated on that, so don't worry, you don't have to check that out yourself. I follow that daily. But if the fundamental situation doesn't change, I do expect that we'll drop down there, all right? Because right now, in terms of price structure, we're basically back in that same structure we were in before, where we are stuck here between 160 and 152. And we've now broken down below 160, so then the obvious next target, potentially with a move up to 160, right? That is still a possibility. But the obvious next target is 125 and 120. So this is, in general, my expectation. On the short term, like I said, we are at a very strong support level here at 140. You can see historically we've also gotten a number of bounces from there. I would not buy Solana right now. I would wait, like, if you really want to buy, because we are at a strong support level, I would wait for at least one bullish reclaim or bullish breakout on a lower time frame. But the fact that a Sunday to Monday usually is a bit of a volatile day, Bitcoin is at a very strong support level, which matters. Solana is at a very strong support level, which matters as well. Solana against Bitcoin is also kind of bottoming out right here, is also at some sort of a support level. So I do think Solana will bounce here. And then, like I said, I'll look for short opportunities around 160. If we get there, maybe lower, I'm not 100% sure yet. So I do think we'll bounce here. But like I said, if you really want to trade that, which I would not necessarily encourage, I would wait for some sort of a breakout before entering. All right, and then we can get a move up. But ultimately, I don't see enough strength for Solana fundamentally. But also, let me show you something right here. I think this is still useful. Also, if I look at the momentum right here, what you can see is that we gained some momentum, right? Positions were opened, but it is very mixed. It's longs and shorts, all right? And mostly shorts even. So that's another reason why we can spike up to liquidate those shorts, but then after liquidating, the momentum will disappear and we'll just drop back down. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow, and bye.